This is Marikina River. Hi there guys, for today's episode, we are going to drive around the streets of Marikina City. Marikina City is part of Metro Manila in the Philippines. The city is one of the cleanest and proper cities around the country. The city of Marikina is considered one of the wealthiest local government units in the Philippines. Marikina is known as the shoe capital of the Philippines owing to its famous shoe industry. It is the biggest manufacturer of shoes in the Philippines, producing almost 70% of shoes made in the country. 824. Integrating 4 cities and 13 towns, majority of which were in the province of Rizal, Marikina became part of Metropolitan Manila area, located along the eastern border of Metro Manila. Marikina is the main gateway of Metro Manila to Rizal and Quezon provinces through Marikina-Infana Highway. It is bordered on the west by Quezon City, to the south by Pasig and Cainta, to the north by San Mateo, and to the east by Antipolo, the capital of Rizal Province. It was founded by the Jesuits on the fertile Marikina Valley in 1630. Marikina was the provincial capital of the province of Manila under the First Philippine Republic from 1898 to 1899 during the Philippine Revolution. 5. Following the onset of American occupation, it was then organized as a municipality of Rizal Province. Prior to the formation of Metro Manila in 1975, formerly a rural settlement, Marikina is now primarily residential and industrial, and has become increasingly commercial in recent years. The city of Marikina is considered one of the wealthiest local government units in the Philippines, based on history and documents in the custody of the municipal government of Marikina. The town was called Marikina in 1787 and was later changed to Marikina. It is said that before the Spaniards came to Marikina, a beautiful, virtuous, polite, and intelligent lady named Marikina was residing in the town. Because of her expertise in business, she became wealthy, and her fortunes were expended on charity. She eventually became famous in the whole town up to Manila. In 1906, the Manila Railroad Company completed a 31 kilometers 19 miles steam train line called Marikina Line, also known as Rosario Montalban Branch, a branch of Philippine National Railway, which is currently existing, converted into the road, which is known today as Daang Bakal, including Shoe Avenue. Marikina Railway Depot, Marikina Elementary School in the present day, Marikina Railway Station, connecting Montalban and Rosario, known today as Tramo, in Pasig, Marikina Bridge, a vital economic link to Manila, was formally opened in 1934 during the construction of the train line. Not far from Marikina Railway Depot, Marikina Airfield was completed and used for the civilian airfield. The runways were subsequently converted into the road known today as E. Rodriguez Avenue and A. Manalo Streets, and the airfield stands today as Palaparan Subdivision. In 1936, and the Marikina line was abandoned. In 1939, the barrios of Balaro, Barangka, Jesus de la Pepo, Cruz Naligas, Tahong, and the site of the new UP campus were separated from Marikina to form part of the newly established Quezon City. In 1941, the barrios of Lower Barangka and Jesus de la Pepo were returned to Marikina. On March 13, 1997, Marikina formally inaugurated a city and, thereby, attained a milestone in its long and colorful history. Today, Marikina City is a multi-awarded metropolitan city, often lauded for its vibrant business life, highly skilled workforce, and a responsive local government that puts a premium on governance, sustainable urban development, and public service. Geographic location: Aram, a lush valley bounded by mountain ranges and sliced by a river, is one of the 16 cities and municipalities comprising the Metro Manila area. It is approximately 21 kilometers away from Manila and lies within 1435 latitude and 1441 longitude. Land area: the total land area of Marikina is approximately 2,150 hectares. This represents about 3.42% of the total land area of Metro Manila at present. The city is composed of 16 barangays. Why we should visit Marikina? Marikina City is a mix of a picturesque old city and a verging urban modernization, featuring a thriving economy, modern malls, ancestral houses, wide green parks, and friendly citizens. Best known as the shoe capital of the Philippines, Marikina City is famous for its high-quality handcrafted shoes, with only an area of 22.6 for square kilometers. Marikina is a small city with at least 80 private schools, 7 colleges and universities, 10 hospitals, 10 malls, 5 churches, 20 gas stations, 89 banks, public market, many parks, the iconic Marikina River Park and the vast Marikina River. 7 reasons why Marikina is a great place to live in. 1. The vast green spaces and the fresh, clean air. In the early years of Spanish colonization, Marikina was one of the largest haciendas in the Philippines. The fertile land produced excellent crops, bountiful harvest, wealthy farmers and a prosperous town, though the Marikegos turned to shoemaking in 1887. Marikina has preserved its greenery and transformed its farmland into parks. Each of Marikina's 16 barangays has at least one mini park, and in the middle of the city is the vast Marikina River Park. So thanks to the lush greenery, the air in Marikina is so much cleaner than the rest of Metro Manila. 2. The rich culture and heritage. Marikina has a colorful history of how the shoemaking industry started. A visit to Don Loreno Capitan Mo Guevara's home-turned-museum will give you a quick history lesson about the birth of shoemaking industry in Marikina City. Down the street, you will find the Marikina Shoe Museum. The museum features the traditional footwear of Filipinos and other nationalities, and the shoes owned and worn by famous politicians, public servants, and celebrities. The museum is also the home of the former First Lady Imelda Marcos' famous shoe collection. Marikina also holds vibrant and colorful festivals celebrating its heritage and culture. The Kainkan Festival, celebrated every April 16, honors the founding families of Marikina. The Rehian Festival, celebrated every December 8, honors the migrant families and their contributions to the city's progress. The Sapatos Festival is a 3-month-long celebration beginning in September, honors the creativity, craftsmanship, style and high quality of Marikina shoes. 3. The Foodies Haven. Now, you might be familiar with the popular food hubs in Maginhawa Saint, in Quezon City, Capitolio, Ortigas, and Aguirre Avenue in BF Homes Parawak. But there is another thriving food scene you don't want to miss. Lilac Street and Mayor Gil Fernando Avenue in Marikina, dubbed as the Maginhawa Street of the East. Lilac Street in Concepcion das is a strip of highly rated restaurants, set up in a charming neighborhood. Wandering around Lilac Street and nearby streets, you will find restaurants offering the best Singaporean, Japanese, Thai, American, Mexican and Filipino cuisine. Mayor Gil Fernando Avenue, on the other hand, hosts new Instagram-worthy food parks. The Crave Food Park features not only multinational gastronomic experience, but also badass artsy murals. The Carnival Food Park stays true to its name with its carnival-themed setup, costumes and food. The other food parks are Terminal 8 Food Park and Lifestyle Hub, Windsor Food Park, and Etc. Food Park. Make sure to bring all your food buddies and come in a group to try more restaurants at a lesser cost. 4. The huge workout space, a haven to sports enthusiasts and hobbyists. Marikina Sports Center is a 3-hectare complex featuring an Olympic-sized pool, an athletics track, a natural grass pitch, basketball courts, volleyball courts, tennis courts, badminton court, and an indoor gymnasium. Residents can come in for a run or exercise as the sports center is open 24 hours every day. 5. The convenient access to what matters most. With only an area of 22.6 for square kilometers, Marikina is a small city with at least 80 private schools, 7 colleges and universities, 10 hospitals, 10 malls, 5 churches, 20 gas stations, 89 banks, public market, mini parks, the iconic Marikina River, with everything just a few minutes drive away. There is no shortage of essentials, but moreover, major highways, such as the C5, Katipunan Avenue and Commonwealth Avenue, connects Marikina to central business districts of Quezon City, Ortigas, Makati and Bonifacio Global City, and top universities such as Ateneo de Manila University and University of the Philippines Diliman campus, while the scenic Marikina Infanta Highway or Marcos Highway connects Marikina to Rizal, Laguna and Quezon for an easy weekend getaway. 6. The growing business hub. 7. The diverse real estate choices. Did you know? The world's largest pair of shoes is made by the shoemakers of Marikina in 2002. It measures 5.9 meters long and 2.37 meters wide. This is for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel JRP Adventures. Click the like and notification bell for more of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. Shinobi Trader, bye bye.